Hello, Anita is Carmen. We are the professional manufacturer who has been in the soft package industry more than 15 years. It's a foil slop bag. To introduce more. Strong bottom and sealant. High excellent barrier and moisture proof. Extend the shelf life. VV printing, high quality, nice printing. Attracts more customers and boost sales. Durable zipper, easy open and reclose. Longer working life zipper. The material is made from BOPP, VMPE, and PE. Laminated material can make the bag more stronger. The capacity of net weight is 196 grams. Euro. It's easy to hand and display in the stores. That's all for today. If you want to know more about it, please feel free to contact us. See you guys. Bye bye.